Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like that. Okay, so this is a very typical, very common question that students face, and unfortunately they like to escape from this. They find it to be difficult. Okay, but today I just want to use this video to really help you to understand. Okay, so now as you can see over here, it says that Rebecca and Tom bought mugs at the prices shown below. Okay, so questions like this, they always have this kind of table. Okay, right? When you see this kind of table, you know already, okay, this is a number of set question. I say that again, number of set question. Okay, set itself, you can see as groups, okay, or number of groups question. Okay, so this is how I classify it. Understand? So once I'm done with this, right, I want to see, okay, large marks 3 for $16, small marks 4 for $12. Okay, now more importantly, right, the keyword here is the word equal to. Okay, the keyword here is the word equal. When I see that it's equal, I need to remember that I need to find the common multiple. I say that again. I need to find the common multiple of what? Very importantly, you continue to read on the common multiple of large and small marks. I say that again. The common multiple of large and small marks. Okay. Now, so because they bought an equal number, understand? So let's talk about the large one first. Okay, the large one. Okay, if I look at the large one, I know that this person can buy 3 for $16. So we write 3 first. Understand so far? We are going to list down. We are going to ask ourselves, if the large is 3 and the small is 4, what is the first possible number of large and small marks? What is the first possible? It is 12. I'm not saying that Rebecca bought 12. You get what I'm trying to say? I'm saying that this is the first common multiple. And the first common multiple means the first possible number of marks Rebecca bought. So we quickly say, okay, it's 12, perfect. So we're gonna say, all right, that one set, okay, or some of you, if you prefer one group, then you can write one group, okay. One set is actually equals to 12 large and 12 small. I say that again. One set is equals to 12 large and 12 small. If any one of you prefer to use the word group, go ahead. Okay? Make sense? So a number of sets question requires us to find what? To always find my one set or group. Okay, so a number of sets question requires us to do that. Make sense? Okay, so once you're done with this, okay, what you want to do next is this, okay? They tell us that she spent how much? $140 more. The word more means the difference, okay? The word more means the difference. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the difference to help us to find the number of large marks. Okay, here's how you do it. Okay, since one set is equals to 12 large and 12 small, we can also say that one set is actually equals to how much? How much is it in one set? If 12 large, that means to say it will be $16 times 3, 6. Because if 3 is for $16, then 12 will be for $16 times 4. And we get to $64. Do you agree so far? All right, so the amount that this person has to pay, if it is for 12 large marks, will be $64. And if 4 small marks is for $12, from here to here you times 3. So from here to here you also times 3. What happens is that you will get, okay, you will get $36. Do you understand? Okay, so I don't want to do the calculations here because I'm afraid that they will confuse you. So this is $64 plus $36. And we get to our answer of $100. Can you all see that? So one set, I will need to spend how much? $100. Understand? If I say I buy 10 groups, that means I will have to spend $1,000. You understand so far? Now, but the question is using difference. The question is using what? Difference. So since the question is using difference, we're going to say, what is one set difference? Okay, what is the one set difference? Do you have any idea? The one set difference is, can you see this is one set? You agree that this is one set, right? What is the one set difference over here? Absolutely. You understand so far? So 64 minus 36, we get to our answer of $28. Understand? This is the difference, right? Because why? Because the large marks, I mean, if the mark is huge, then of course it should be more expensive. Why? Okay. Now, what did the question say? How many large marks did she buy? Correct? Now, what is the difference? What is the total difference? $140, correct? So I'm telling you that this is $140. Make sense? So how do I find how many sets are there? Very simple, right? All you need to do to find out what is this. Any idea, Chloe? How to find out what is this over here? Number of sets will now be what? 140 divided by 28. 5 sets. So this person actually bought how many sets? 5 sets. If I say that one set is actually equals to 12 large, and the question wants us to find large, right? Not small, so I don't care about small. Okay, I just focus on what the question wants us to find, right? This person bought 5 groups of 5 sets, therefore it will be 12 times 5, and therefore my answer for this will be 60 large marks.